Welcome to our grounded collection. This is our representation of moss. What's cool about moss is it grows organically in forests, over trees, rocks, things like that, but also over walkways that are man-made. So it's really kind of a neat substance. So we took that as inspiration to create a special look and haircut for our lovely model, Liliana. So first off, we disconnected this small zigzag portion on the top and dips over to the right side of the head. I sprayed in some tea tree lavender mint conditioning leave-in spray just to make the hair easy to work with, easy to comb through, maintain that beautiful texture. We're going to start by taking a diagonal back section. That gives me a visual of how long the length is in the front as well as how long the length is in the back. I'm going to comb that down in my fingers and I'm going to cut in a line square from front to back. By working a diagonal back section, once again, that allows me to visually see where the length will fall in the front and also where the length will fall in the back. But still, I'm combing the hair straight down in my fingers, maintaining consistent tension from scalp to ends, holding the hair in the fingers, making sure that I'm only cutting the hair that I can control and not chasing the hair into my fingers. What's cool about taking an approach like this on curly hair is that you allow the texture to create the expansion. There isn't a need to create a graduated shape. By cutting the length all at one point, the texture expands and you'll see in the end result how that works. Moving over to the left side, I'm going to approach it the same way, taking a diagonal back section, allowing me to see the length on the front as well as the length on the back. Check the balance from left to right to make sure that you're maintaining consistency on both sides. Combing it right over to the shoulder. When you get to the back of the head, you saw some over direction, pulling it towards the shoulder, which is going to maintain a slight bit of length towards the center back. As we know, if we over direct the hair forward, it's going to get longer towards the back. Now moving to my disconnected panel, my zone there. I'm going to elevate the hair high and I'm going to cut short to long, shorter in the back, longer in the front. And this zigzag zone is going to be completely disconnected from the rest of the haircut. And this is where we took that literal inspiration of moss. With the color placement and the haircut, you'll see how these things sit on top of one another. Once again, all to one stationary point. So all that hair gets elevated and over directed to the same point, cut short to long, shorter in the back, longer in the front. Here's the end result, wet